Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to redeem a Nintendo eShop card on Nintendo Switch 2. To do it, go to Nintendo eShop. Now, click on the account you want to use it with. Click on your profile icon in top right corner. And here you can find your current balance, and these are your funds in Nintendo eShop. And to redeem a prepaid card, simply click on Add Funds, then Nintendo eShop card. Now enter the long code from the Nintendo eShop card and click on Confirm. Then your funds will be topped up once you approve that and will appear in your current balance. But if you have a Nintendo eShop card with a game, then you'll need to redeem the code right here. On the main page of Nintendo eShop, you'll see Redeem Code. And here you can redeem a Nintendo Switch Online membership code or any other redeemable code, like for example you may get the Mario Kart in the box of your Nintendo Switch 2, and there will be a code that you can redeem right here by entering it here. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.